Hi everyone! Welcome to another Vietnamese lesson. Today, we will learn useful Vietnamese words about entertainment activities.
Xem phim,
To watch movies,
nghe nhạc,
to listen to music,
đọc sách,
to read books,
hát karaoke,
to sing karaoke,
chơi nhạc cụ,
to play musical instruments,
chơi trò chơi điện tử,
to play video games,
vẽ tranh,
to draw or paint a picture,
cắm hoa,
to arrange flowers,
lướt mạng.
to browse social media. And that's it! Hope you guys enjoy the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to VLS's channel for more exciting topics. See you next time!